Okay, guys, we are going to talk about percent applications today, and basically what we're going to talk about is something called markup and discount. Okay, now first I'm going to tell you about markup. A person who owns a business and sells stuff, they're going to buy products to sell to you. They don't necessarily make them. And so they buy them from the manufacturer, and then they mark them up a certain percentage from what they paid to make a profit off of it, so they can pay the rent and put food on the table and all that good stuff. So this is really the same as percent increase. Okay. Now, discount. Sometimes retailers find out, you know what, this shirt's just not really selling, and I've paid some money for it, and I really would like to get it out the way so I can get another shirt in here. So they may discount it a certain percentage. They may reduce the price by a certain percent to sell it. But this is really the same thing as percent decrease. All right. Now, I don't know. Let's take an example here. I'm going to let's say I sell frisbees. I don't know, not frisbees, flying discs, whatever they are. And I'm, you know, what if I put little things back there showing that it's flying? There we go. How about that? Now I buy these things from the manufacturer. Let's say I buy them for $5. Okay? So I pay, my cost is $5. Okay? And I need to mark that up because I need to make a profit. Now, let's say that let's say I'm going to mark this thing up 175%. 175%. That's my markup. Okay? So that I can make some money off of this thing. Now, I'm going to just set up my old percent proportion that I know how to use and I love, and I'm going to say, what is 175% of $5? Okay, and I just need to cross multiply. I get 100x is equal to 175 times 5, really, 5.00. Okay, and I'll do a little math over here to the right. Let's see, 175 times 5, it's going to give me 25. 5 times 7 is 35, and 2 is 37. Carry my 3. 5 times 1 is 5, and 3 is 8. Okay, all right, so now over here I've got 100x is equal to 875. Okay? Now, remember, that's not what x is, that's what 100x is. So I need to divide by 100 on both sides, and I'm going to get that x is equal to, and everyone knows when I divide by 100, I move my decimal point 2 places to the left. I'm making this thing smaller by 2 powers of 10, or 10 to the second power, and I'm going to get $8.75. Now, that's what I would charge. So that means that I'm going to make $3.75 off of every flying discs, and hopefully, you know, I can buy some new clothes and maybe a new tie, and look a little snazzier than I do right now. All right, so that's basically the idea. Same thing with discount. We would except this number right here, the percentage, would be less than 100%. And we take it off the retail price, not off the wholesale price. Okay, wholesale is what the retailer pays, the store pays for the product, and then they mark it up and sell it to you at retail price. Retail is what the store charges you, and then they take a discount off of that. Okay, usually that discount is not going to bring it down less than what they paid for it, because then they'd be losing money. So I hope that makes some sense to you, and let's try some examples. All right, let's get going.